Ever wondered how snakes are processed in the most modern factory in the world? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of snake processing, where innovation and technology combine to create an extraordinary journey. This isn't just about handling and processing snakes, it's about doing it with efficiency, precision, and a keen eye for quality. Picture this, a state-of-the-art snake processing factory, bustling with advanced machinery and technology. Each piece of equipment, each system, has been meticulously designed and managed to ensure the highest standards in snake processing. This is where technology meets nature in a dance of precision and care. But it's not just the machines that make this place tick. It's the people behind them, the engineers and operators who understand the delicate balance between efficiency and quality. They are the ones who ensure that every step of the process, from arrival to sorting, from processing to packaging, is carried out with utmost precision. And what's the result of all this? Products that are more than just snake-based. They are the epitome of innovation and sustainability. From snake venom used for medical research to snake meat prepared for culinary delights, every part of the snake is utilized, nothing is wasted. This is the power of modern technology in the snake processing industry. It's about using advanced machinery to revolutionize the way we handle and process snakes. It's about creating a sustainable and resourceful approach that ensures every part of the snake is used efficiently. So, come along. Join us as we embark on a journey through the process of using advanced machinery and technology to handle and process snakes. It's a journey that will take us from the arrival of the snakes to the final product, showcasing the incredible possibilities that arise when innovation and technology come together. Are you ready to dive into the world of snake processing? Because we're just getting started. Let's explore the most modern snake processing factory in the world, where efficiency, precision, and quality are not just buzzwords, but a way of life. The journey begins with the arrival of snakes at the processing facility. Here, the magic of advanced machinery and technology truly comes alive. As the snakes are offloaded and introduced into the system, a specially designed automated sorting system takes over. This system uses cutting-edge technology to gently and efficiently handle the snakes, sorting them based on various parameters such as species, size, and health status. Each snake is meticulously scanned and analyzed, ensuring that only the best quality snakes proceed further into the process. This initial sorting stage is crucial as it sets the tone for the rest of the processing journey. It's not just about efficiency, but also about respect and care for these remarkable creatures. Once sorted, the snakes are then carefully moved to the next stages of processing. The use of automated systems in this process not only boosts efficiency, but also minimizes human contact, ensuring safety for both the handlers and the snakes. It's a perfect blend of technology and nature, working in harmony to achieve a common goal. But the process doesn't stop there. The technology employed here is constantly learning and adapting. Using artificial intelligence, the system learns from each sorting cycle, continually improving and optimizing the process. It's a living, evolving system, mirroring the very creatures it handles. What's truly fascinating about this process is the level of precision and care involved. Each snake is treated as an individual, not just another commodity. This respect for the snakes, coupled with the efficiency of the technology, results in a process that's as humane as it is efficient. And so, the journey continues, with each snake moving smoothly through the system, ready for the next stage of processing. Every step of the process is meticulously managed to ensure the highest quality and efficiency in snake processing. It's a fascinating fusion of technology and nature, a testament to what can be achieved when we harness the power of innovation and respect for life. It's not just about processing snakes, it's about redefining what's possible in the world of technology and animal processing. This is As the snakes move through the processing facility, they undergo a transformation. The advanced machinery and technology at work here are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Automated systems efficiently and precisely extract venom from the snakes. This venom, often a potent cocktail of toxic compounds, holds remarkable potential in the field of medical research. It's used in the development of drugs to treat conditions ranging from high blood pressure to cancer. The extraction process is meticulously managed to ensure safety and precision, with every drop of venom carefully harvested. Simultaneously, the snake meat is being prepared. This isn't your average meat processing operation, though. The technology here is specifically designed to handle snake meat, a delicacy in many cultures around the world. The meat is separated, cleaned, and prepared for various culinary applications, all with the help of automated machinery. The process ensures the highest quality snake meat, ready to be transformed into a variety of dishes. What's truly remarkable about this process is the efficiency. Every part of the snake is utilized, from the venom to the meat. Nothing goes to waste. This isn't just about maximizing profits, it's also about sustainability. In a world where resources are increasingly scarce, the ability to use every part of an animal is a testament to the innovative thinking that drives this industry. The state-of-the-art technology ensures a sustainable and resourceful approach to snake processing. It's not just about turning snakes into products. It's about doing so in a way that is respectful to the snakes and the environment. This approach is what sets the most modern snake processing factory apart. It's a shining example of how technology and innovation can revolutionize an industry, creating opportunities for discovery and progress in the process. Once processed, the snake products enter the final stages of packaging and distribution. Here, technology once again takes center stage, ensuring the products are well preserved, perfectly packed, and ready to be shipped to various corners of the globe. The packaging process begins with automated machines carefully sealing the snake products in specialized packaging materials. These materials are designed to maintain the freshness of the products and protect them from any potential damage during transit. The machines operate with impressive speed and precision, packaging hundreds of products in just a matter of minutes. Next comes the labeling. State-of-the-art labeling machines swiftly attach barcodes and information labels onto the packages. These labels provide essential information about the product, including its origin, processing date, and expiration date. This transparency builds trust with consumers and ensures they are well informed about the snake products they purchase. The packaged products are then sorted by automated sorting systems according to their designated destinations. These systems are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that accurately sort and group the products based on their distribution routes. This efficient sorting process speeds up the distribution process significantly. Once sorted, the products are loaded onto automated conveyors that transport them to the distribution area. Here, they are loaded onto trucks or aircraft, ready to be shipped to markets around the world. The entire process is meticulously managed by advanced logistics systems that track the movement of each product from the factory to the consumer. This high-tech approach to packaging and distribution ensures that the snake products reach their destination in optimal condition. It minimizes human error, maximizes efficiency, and guarantees that the products you receive are of the highest possible quality. Advanced machinery and technology play a crucial role in ensuring that the snake products reach consumers in optimal condition. They bridge the gap between the processing factory and the market, making it possible for consumers across the globe to access these unique products. This is the power of modern technology in the world of snake processing, transforming a complex process into an efficient and seamless operation. From venom extraction to meat processing, the journey concludes with the showcase of the finished products. Here, we have a wide array of snake-based products, a result of the intricate process we've just journeyed through. These products are not only diverse, but also hold immense value in various fields. On one hand, we have snake venom, a potent compound used extensively in medical research. Its unique properties make it a key ingredient in the development of life-saving drugs. On the other hand, we have snake meat, a delicacy in many cuisines around the globe. Prepared with utmost care, it's a testament to the culinary versatility of this reptile. Each product, whether it be venom for groundbreaking research or meat for a gastronomic adventure, is a testament to the innovative processes and advanced technology at work in our state-of-the-art factory. The products processed in the most modern snake processing factory in the world are a testament to the versatility and innovation of snake processing technology. As we conclude this captivating journey, we celebrate the hard work and dedication of those who harness the power of advanced machinery. We've seen how innovation and technology intertwine to revolutionize snake processing, from the arrival and sorting of snakes through to the extraction of venom and preparation of snake meat. This state-of-the-art facility stands as a testament to the success of modern processing practices, showcasing the ability to utilize every part of the snake efficiently and sustainably. The advanced machinery and technology ensure the highest quality and efficiency from processing to packaging and distribution, ultimately bringing a wide range of snake-based products to consumers around the world. So join us in celebrating the revolution in the world of snake processing. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the world of technology and innovation.